Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we're going to be doing something a little bit differently. I want to see how long I can go without washing my hair. Now today is day one, so I'm going to be taking this mop on my head and washing it in the shower. I'm hoping to get to at least like 10 days. I've only been able to get up to day 7 without washing it. Usually wash it like Saturday to Saturdays. When I was about 15 or 16, was it 16 or 17? I dyed it just a beautiful blonde color. Like, in my opinion, it was really beautiful and I loved it. But I dyed it this blonde color and my hairstylist was like, okay, Kayla, if you don't maintain it, it is going to break. It is gonna die. And what did it do? It died. It was so fried. I could not do anything with it without it just like crumbling. You could just like see it in the photos too. It just did not look good. Did not look good. And I was done coloring it. I was just done. After growing it out, for like, I think it was like 3 or 4 years. It took me to grow out the whole thing. It was all one color. It looked amazing and it was really healthy. Last February, I decided to cut my hair and I cut it kind of short. I was on this like new year, new me. I'm gonna cut my hair. I didn't really like it. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna let it grow out. I'm gonna let it grow out. I'm gonna let it grow out. And I also decided that I was gonna stop washing my hair once every other day because that was just too much. And I decided to start training my hair. And now we're up to day 7. We are going to jump in the shower, wash my hair, and then we're gonna just take you on this journey and see how many days I last. All right, let's go. Here's my wet hair. I'm gonna put this Bond Smoother, can you see it? There we go. In my hair. This is a very small amount. So let's do like, is that very small? So mid-length to end. So I'm not gonna get up here. I'm just gonna get in here. This is the starting point for my hair. I always let it air dry unless I'm in a hurry. So I would say like 95% of the time I let it air dry. Show you what my hair looks like with some more light. Go. We'll see how long this baby lasts. Show you guys what it looks like tomorrow. We'll go from there. This is what my hair usually looks like. It's 3:30 in the morning. Gotta be at work for 4 today. There we go. That's my hair for the day. Okay, bye. Good morning, everybody. This is what it looks like every day I wake up. Sometimes if I sleep too much on my face, it gets like super unruly, but this is as good as it gets. Just gonna quickly do it so I can get to work because I have about 17 minutes. So it's not that bad today, but everything is like sticking a little bit more out. I'm trying to make it to 9 days, and so we're what, about 1/3 of the way there? Yeah, math. My hair's at the point where it's like feeling like a little gross. Yesterday I went out for Valentine's Day and I'll prop a picture up. I just put my hair back in a ponytail. It's very greasy on top. My bangs usually get kind of like squished down, so I usually like plump them up with dry shampoo. That makes it a lot better, but yeah, this is usually what my hair looks like on day 6. I'll show you guys what tomorrow looks like. Hopefully we make it another day. Sunday hair. My hair just looks so ridiculous. This is what my hair looks like. It just looks like I'm a hot mess. We're a hot mess today. I need to shower my body. I had an intense workout today. I'm like a hairy creature. I've got my dad's genes and he has like this thick, like black hair. And if I don't shave my legs, my armpits, it's just not a good time. Shower cap. I usually wash my body like 4 times a week because nobody likes a stinky body when you don't wash your hair. No one. Ugh. All right, I just finished my glute workout and my hair is just gross. Like underneath, it just feels really oily. I'm gonna try and go another day. I think I can do it. We can do it. So we're just gonna put this up and then I will see you guys tomorrow. It's taking like a turn for the worse. It is like, oh, very oily, just very upset. Today might be the last day. Welcome back. We are on day 10 of not washing my hair and we have reached the end. I was doing a lot of research about hair care and what you should be doing. They all recommended that you should be washing your hair every 2 to 4 days, and if you can make your hair last a little bit longer, you definitely should. Getting my hair up to 10 days is pretty incredible. It is gonna look good, I think. Soft, like I left it for 10 days without showering. See you in a bit once my hair is dried, because we are not going to use a blow dry for this one. See you in a bit. We are back to talk about my future hair goals. I want it to get to a place where it has like waves, or it has just this natural fall to it, and I leave it. Maybe I just run a brush through it once a day or once every other day or something. Just can last so long without washing it. It's so good for your hair, and the amount of time that you're not spending washing your hair, drying your hair, because let's be real, it takes my hair a good like 4 to 6, not even 4. 4 is a lie. It's like 6 to 8 hours before my hair actually dries completely. So not only do you have to wash your hair less, you're using less water, so it's better for the environment, less product, you're styling your hair less, just it's really good for your hair. I just wanted to take on this challenge to see how long I can make my hair go without having to wash it. I mean, for going on 10 days, my hair actually looks pretty incredible. As long as you're not washing your hair every single day, and as long as you're not leaving it to the point where you're getting like a lot of dandruff and your scalp's really itchy and stuff, because it can't be healthy for your hair for you to be constantly like touching it and scratching it and stuff too. So I think absolutely 10 days is a little bit too long. I really enjoyed doing this challenge because it was a good eye-opener for me, just to realize that we place so much focus and so much attention on the aesthetics about people, like our hair, our makeup, our skincare and stuff. It was nice to be reminded that you can look beautiful with your hair up. With oily hair, you can go out in public and meet friends, meet your family, see people, and still have really oily hair or not be like totally dolled up. I would love to get it to the point where I don't have to wash it as much and it just naturally kind of does its thing, and I leave it and I enjoy it and I love it. I just want it to become part of my daily routine, that I wash it every Friday night or every Saturday, and then I have beautiful, beautiful hair all week long. This challenge was just to see how far I could push myself to not wash my hair. We're gonna wash it. I'm gonna straighten it, style it. We're gonna see how this turns out. Let's go. This is what my hair looks right now after I have just like wrung it out. All right, my hair is getting better. Getting a little drier. It's also just like, this is just the way that it curls out. Like, look at these little wings. Here is what my hair looks like after 10 days of not washing it. It feels so soft to touch. Alright guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, maybe hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!